Keep D. Get ready, Merl. If you will listen, a song I will sing about my daddy who ran a log train way down in the Southland in old Alabama. We lived in a place we called Chapman Town, and way off in the when the sun was low, way off in the distance, could hear the train blow. The folk would come running, and Mama would sing, "Get the supper on the table, here comes the log train." The break of day, he'd grab his lunch bucket, be on his way. Winter and summer, sunshine and rain, every morning he'd run the old log train. Sweating all day long, shouting, "Get up there, oxen, keep rolling along." Said, "Load her up, boy, 'cause it looks like rain. I gotta keep rolling this old log train." A long time ago, the log train is silent, God called that to go. When I get to heaven, to always remain, I'll listen